So my last car phone holder left a gooey mess on my windshield, and to be honest, I'm still trying to clean it efficiently. I don't know what to use on it. If somebody knows what I can possibly use on my windshield to get the goo that this car holder left, please let me know. So anyway, I bought this new car phone holder, and it promises that it won't leave any goo on my windshield no matter how long it sits in the sun, that it's just not going to melt. And I'm looking forward to that. I like the car holder. It's very convenient. I like how you can place your phone on it in the car. And yeah, it's pretty solid, so we'll see about that melting thing.